Do you want to add YouTube link in Instagram bio? You can put YouTube link in Insta profile with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a YouTube link in your Instagram bio, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you are on your Instagram profile page. Tap on the Edit Profile button below your bio section. A new screen will appear with different options. On the Edit Profile screen, tap on the Links option. Here, you will see the option to add external link. Tap on it and paste your YouTube channel link or video link in the URL box. You can also add a title for the link in the title box if you want. After entering the link, tap on the Done button at the top right of the screen. Your YouTube link will now appear in your Instagram bio, and anyone visiting your profile can tap it to open your channel or video.